my loves, welcome back to my channel and to a brand new series. I'm really excited about this series. It's something I've been wanting to do for a very long time now, and I finally got the courage to sit down and film my first episode, so I'm really excited about it and I hope you are too. So this series is going to be all about self-love. I've been on a very big personal development and spiritual journey over the last probably 2 years now, and in that time I've kind of discovered that I've had a lot of blocks and limitations and really struggled with kind of stepping into the life that I want to live and having everything that I really want for my life. And a big part of that, I've come to learn, drills down to self-love. I've had a lot of self-doubt and I've really been quite hard on myself and done things to sabotage myself and really stop myself from achieving everything that I want. And so as part of the journey I've been on, I'm trying to break down those barriers and those obstacles and to, I guess, unlock all my potential, because I know that I have so much in me that I want to share. And self-love has really been a big challenge for me. So I suppose I want to use this series to share with you guys all the things that I've learnt over the last couple of years through my spiritual practice, and all the tools and techniques and habits and routines, I suppose, that I've learned and started to develop and continue to learn and develop every day to help me to love myself a bit more and to really allow myself to live a life that I truly love. I think when it comes to self-love, a lot of people have negative ideas about it. They think that it means you're selfish or you're self-indulgent if you love yourself, and I don't think it's like that at all. I think it's actually the opposite. I know it's a bit cliche, but the saying, you can't love someone until you love yourself, I think it's true. And I'm not saying if we don't love ourselves, we don't love people. It means I more mean that we can't fully give ourselves and be the kind, generous and loving people that we want to be, and until we can find that within. So really, I think that self-love is the most kind and generous and loving thing that you can give to other people, is to find it within yourself first. So yeah, this series is going to be really fun. I've got heaps of ideas. It's going to be on every Sunday on my channel, and I thought Sundays are great because it's just before a new week's about to begin, so it's a really good time to reflect on the previous week, what's worked, what hasn't, and to get organized and set yourself up for the new week ahead. So I thought it was a really good time, I suppose, to share some ideas with each other. So I really hope that you'll come along on this journey with me. I really just want to be able to help as many people as possible by sharing my own personal experiences, and in no way is my life perfect. I absolutely do not have it all figured out. I am a mess like 90% of the time, but I am getting really good at learning how to come back to center, evaluate, okay, what's not working, what is working, and what do I need to change to be able to live the life I want to live, to be able to be the kindest, most generous and loving person that I can possibly be. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the bell if you want to get notified of when I upload. Keep an eye out for these videos every Sunday, and I'll also still be posting my usual videos throughout the week. So I'm going to have lots of nail tutorials, DIYs, crafty videos, all sorts of things. So keep an eye out for those as well, and vlogs. I'm going to have some vlogs in there too. I'm just trying to really create content that excites me and makes me happy now, because I feel like if I'm doing that, then I'm going to be able to share the best stuff with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.